Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this pre-registered partner van. So this van is ply-lined in the back. You get 2 sliding side doors, rear parking sensors. In the front you've got 3 seats. The touchscreen has DAB digital radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth connectivity. On top of this you get air conditioning, automatic headlights and wipers, and cruise control with a speed limiter. So let's have a look around. Van's done less than 10 miles, and if it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.